Not a day goes by where I don't drop something. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have my Boxycharm. I'm a little hesitant on doing this video just because based on what I've seen as far as sneak peeks and other videos, I'm not really pleased with this month. So we're just going to put it at that. And I'm just going to call this a fluke. So we've got the pamphlet here, and my pamphlet says number 1 at the bottom. I don't know if that means anything or not, but that's what it means. That's what it is. This was curated by Laura Lee. She's a beauty guru, and she's got her channel. She got herself in a little bit of hot water over the last week or two regarding some things that happened on a brand trip. But I'm going to leave my opinions to myself on that one. I'm going to try to anyways. So this is curated by Laura Lee. I know a lot of people love her. A lot of people don't like her. I didn't have an opinion of her for a long time. We'll talk about the contents of the box after I show you what they are. Okay. So first off, we have Odessa, New York, age-defying nail treatment. It's a high-tech skincare for nails. I do like this, but it is really strange to have a nail item in my Boxycharm. I don't know if I've ever gotten a nail item in Boxycharm before. It's always been like makeup and some cleansers. So we've got a nail item. We've got some lashes, and I do like lashes. I do really like House of Lashes lashes. These ones here are Hollywood Glam. I will definitely use these. So that is a plus. I've already used one of these. These are by Wander Beauty. They are eye masks. So they are these little things here. You put them underneath your eyes, and they help get rid of the bags and just kind of help refresh. And I do like Wander Beauty, so these are okay. I'm not a big fan of getting facial masks in boxes, though. I think it has to do with that one-time use kind of thing with masks. So I like to have a product that I can use multiple times. But these are okay. They're okay. They're okay. Next is this here. This is by Bang Beauty. This is the gel liner. It feels really light. I mean, as far as the color goes. Let me grab a brush. Just grabbing a liner brush. I'm just going to put it on the back of my hand. This is not a gel. So there it is on the back of my hand. I see it more as like an eyebrow pomade than a gel. It's okay. The color is just weird. Like, I mean, obviously I have dark brows and dark hair, and so this isn't necessarily going to work well for me. It's just a weird color. And it doesn't, the consistency is not like a gel-like consistency. It's really like thick. So it's very strange. Then we have the Smashbox Legendary Lipstick, and this is in the color Top Shelf. I do like Smashbox lipsticks, so that is cool. Here's the color. It's actually a really, really pretty color, so I will definitely be using this. And then the last thing that we have, I'm not really thrilled about, to be honest with you, because I already have it. And if you want to see what I thought of it, just look right over here, and you'll be able to find the link on my review of the Laura Lee stuff. So this is the Party Animal palette. So this is what it looks like. The colors, when you first get them, you're like, oh my God, these are gorgeous colors. But they don't really perform very well. So how about this? How about I will give this away to somebody who wants it? All you have to do is comment down below, be subscribed to my channel, and I will pick a winner at the end of the month just randomly to get this palette. I might throw in a couple of other things. Who knows? I don't know. But somebody will get this palette because I already have it. And yeah, I don't know. One of the things that really bothered me about this is the packaging. I kind of hoped that it had come with the cardboard outer package, not the whole box that the kit came in, but just the cardboard outer package, because I feel like just kind of hanging out like this is a little precarious. it could get broken pretty easily. So anyway, overall, I'm really not thrilled with this box. I find that it feels a little disjointed. I know that the whole theme of it was like kind of like party and hangover and stuff like that. And so I get it, but I just feel like it's disjointed. Like this, what is this? I've never heard of this brand. The color, I don't see this color going with anybody wearing it. Like literally nobody that I know that I've ever seen would wear this color as a liner. The nail thing is just weird. I don't know. I don't see how a cuticle oil what a cuticle oil has to do with partying and with hangovers. I don't know. The Smashbox lip is really nice, and I will definitely get a lot of use out of that, but that's the only thing. Well, in this, I mean, I do like those. Those are the only things that I really liked out of the box. I feel like this month was definitely a miss as far as Boxycharm goes. So take that as you will. I will still continue to subscribe. I'm trying to get my hands on Boxylux next month, so hopefully we'll get that, and I'll be able to show you all the stuff that Boxylux comes in. If you want to know more about Boxylux, just look for the link down below. It's basically an upgraded version of the Boxycharm box, and it's got more stuff, like $300 worth of stuff. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm hoping to get my hands on that. Anyways, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this. Sorry for no try-ons today. I wasn't really excited about this box, and so I just decided not to try anything on. And like I said, with the palette, you'll be able to find a try-on my channel. Thanks again for watching. We will see you again next time. Bye.